So to fix this problem, what you have to do first is to go to your phone menu and try to set for your phone settings. So when you find your phone settings, just tap on it to open it. Then after that, what you have to do next is to just tap on the SIM card and mobile network. So now when you get here, tap on your mobile network that you use in the network type. You select it. After that, what you have to do next is to tap on preference network type. Then you have to select 2G/3G/4G auto, which is over here. So after selecting that, what you have to do is to go back to your phone settings and scroll and tap on app management. So when you tap on app management, tap on app settings. Then after that, you have to scroll and search for your so you have to scroll and search for Gangster Vegas. So when you find your Gangster Vegas, what you have to do is to just tap on it, tap on the force stop, tap on OK, tap on storage and cache, tap on the clear cache. Then now go back and tap on notification. Make sure the show notification is allowed. Allowed all the notifications over here. So after doing this, go back and tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi and make sure the background data is turned on. After doing this, go back and go to your Play Store. So when you go to Play Store, just search for Gangster Vegas and you're going to find it. What you have to do over here is to just update it. So just tap on update, and after the updating it, what you have to do is to just tap on your power button for some while and you are going to see this pop up. When this pop ups, what you have to do is to just restart or reboot your device. So when you push it down like this, then you just leave it like that. You remove your hand and you're going to see that it's going to turn off and turn on automatically. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in my next video.